Welcome to a new esegece learning session. Today we will show how install esegece.sgcWebSockets.NET Community Edition from a NuGet package and how connect to a WebSocket server. First, create a new .NET project and access to the menu Manage Nuget Packages. Search the package sgcWebSockets and press the install button. This will install the esegece.WebSockets.NET Community Edition package into your project. Now you can make uses of the esegece.sgcWebSockets package and create a new WebSocket client. Create a new instance of esgece.WebSocket client. We will use the public esegece.WebSocket server, so set the host to www.esegece.com and port to 2052. Then handle the event on connect to be notified when the client has connected to server. And that's all. Press the button to start a new WebSocket connection and you will get a message that client has been connected.